I'm Jamie with Love of the Magic Vacations, and today we are at Disney's Polynesian Village Resort, one of the 3 resorts on Disney's monorail loop to Magic Kingdom. Just look at those amazing castle views. Have you ever wondered what the inside of these bungalows look like? If so, I have a treat for you today. Let's go inside and see all the bungalows have to offer. Come on, let's go. Polynesian Village Resort is one of Disney World's 11 deluxe resort and villas. This resort is located near Magic Kingdom and is one of the 3 resorts on the monorail, giving guests easy access to both Magic Kingdom and Epcot. Here are a few fun facts about Poly before we get started with our bungalow tour. Did you know that Poly was the second resort built at Disney World, opening in 1971? But don't worry, it's had many updates since then, including its most recent in 2021. Second fun fact, John Lennon was at the Poly Resort when he signed the paperwork to end the Beatles on December 29, 1974. That's my birthday. Not in 1974 though, just December 29th. All right, let's get to it. In today's room tour, we'll be seeing the Bora Bora over-the-water bungalow. These are part of the DVC, Disney Vacation Club collection, and were added to the Polynesian Village Resort between 2013 and 2015. There are 20 of them total. Even if you're not a DVC member, you can still stay in them. We'll talk more about that later and even discuss the price. Spoiler alert, it's kinda a lot. The Polynesian Village Resort is South Seas themed, which continued into the bungalows. The most recent update at Poly added subtle touches of Moana to the main rooms. It's so well done that it's Disney without being in your face. These are truly my favorite rooms at Disney property. The Bora Bora bungalows feature everyone's favorite Disney alien, Stitch. Lilo and Stitch are throughout the bungalow, again, very subtly, and even hiding inside the pull-down beds in the rooms. As you enter the private bungalow area, you'll be required to tap in with your magic band or room key, giving you access to the private boardwalk. Once you arrive at your bungalow, you'll be met with a semi-wraparound porch that will come in handy later. As you enter the bungalow, you'll find an entry table great for dropping your keys, park bags, and other necessities. The bungalow has 2 bedrooms and sleeps a total of 8 guests. The master bedroom has a king bed, full desk and dresser, closet, and a private master bathroom. You'll also have access to the back wraparound patio from the room with views of Magic Kingdom. The master bathroom is full size with a double vanity, in-mirror TV, tub, shower, and private water closet, aka the toilet area. The second room has a queen bed and a twin-size pull-down bed, similar to other Disney resort rooms. This room has a full-size closet and raised bed for extra storage. The second bathroom features a full-size shower and separate toilet area. Disney does a great job of ensuring its spaces are multifunctional and can be used by multiple guests at the same time. Now, let's talk about the most impressive feature of the Bora Bora bungalows. The great room is a full-size kitchen with tons of seating and floor-to-floor ceiling and windows with views of Magic Kingdom. This is where the magic really happens. The great room has a full sofa that converts into a queen-size bed. This is not a sofa sleeper, it's a Murphy bed with a real mattress. Next to the queen bed and under the TV, housed in the credenza, is a pull-down twin-size bed and then 2 side chairs sitting next to it. As you can see, there is plenty of room to sit and sleep a large family or 2 smaller families in the Bora Bora bungalow. The full-size kitchen has a table that seats 8, an oven, a cooktop stove, microwave, and a full-size fridge. When you open the cabinets, you'll find a full set of dishes, drinkware, pots and pans, and cooking utensils. These types of amenities are specific to DVC rooms, all of which have at least a minimum of a mini kitchen. The vaulted wood panel ceiling, beams, and decor all give the bungalow a very South Seas warm vacation vibe, while still being fresh and bright with the white walls and teal accents. Stepping out onto the partial wraparound deck, the views here will take any Disney lover's breath away. Sitting on Seven Seas Lagoon, the private over-the-water patio makes you feel like you're in a world of your own, with views of Cinderella Castle by day and the castle with fireworks lighting up the sky at night. Plus, don't forget the nightly showing of the long-running electric water pageant, which has been running since the opening year of Disney World in 1971. These 14 floats light up the lagoon nightly. If you think it's old school and hokey, you're kinda right, but the nostalgia, it's perfect in its own right. The private patio also has your own private spool, not a hot tub and not a pool. These are not heated, but a dipping pool to enjoy by day and night. Can you even imagine sitting here with a glass of champagne in hand and the fireworks lighting the sky in the distance? If you're worried that the fireworks won't be the same without the music, don't worry. Disney thinks of everything. The music can be played on cue with the touch of a button, right there on your own private patio. Let's talk all about the pros and cons of the Bora Bora Bungalows. As I mentioned before, the Bora Bora Bungalows are part of the Disney Vacation Club program, which is Disney's version of a timeshare. Guests who don't own DVC are able to reserve the bungalows, but DVC guests have first dibs. Oftentimes, we don't see bungalow availability to the public until about 7 months prior to arrival. This timeline can vary, but more often than not, you'll need to wait to find the space. That being said, they can be hard to reserve during the busiest times of the year, like spring break and the holiday season. The bigger con of the bungalows is the price tag. As you can imagine, they are quite expensive, starting at around $3,200 per night in the off-season. As you probably guessed it, it's one of the pricier rooms at Disney World and is definitely a splurge. If you have your heart set on staying in a bungalow, but can't quite splurge for a full week there, consider a split stay between the Bora Bora Bungalow and another Disney World resort. One additional con of the bungalows is the noise. Polynesian Village Resort sits next to the TTC, the Ticket and Transportation Center, which is the main transportation hub for Magic Kingdom. This is where all day guests stop before boarding a monorail, bus, or ferry to the Magic Kingdom. The ferry is what gets the most complaints as it runs near the bungalows multiple times a day, blowing its ferry horn, which can be very disturbing during the early morning and late night hours. To help remedy this problem, request a bungalow furthest from the TTC prior to arrival. But keep in mind, it's only a request and is not guaranteed. Another great option, and one I use myself when traveling, is a noise machine. Find an app on your phone. Don't try to add something else to your suitcase and never-ending packing list. You'll just always have it with you. Now, let's talk about the pros for the bungalows. We've really talked about them already, but let's just go over them again. First of all, it's an over-the-water bungalow. How many of us can say we've stayed in one of those? Even if it's in Orlando and not in the Maldives, it's still an over-the-water bungalow. Top that with views of Magic Kingdom, front row private seats to the nightly fireworks, and ease of transportation around Disney World, I'd say the noise is well worth it. There is only one room comparable at Disney World to the over-the-water bungalows. It's the Copper Creek Cabins at Wilderness Lodge, which are just as nice minus the castle views. Other rooms at Disney's Polynesian Village Resort include standard rooms with multiple options for views, rooms with club level access, and 1 and 2 bedroom suites and villas. One of the many perks of staying at Disney's Polynesian Village Resort is easy access to Magic Kingdom and Epcot on the monorail. Guests wanting to visit Animal Kingdom or Hollywood Studios will need to take bus transportation or a minivan, which is Disney's version of Lyft. If you'd like to learn more about Disney's Polynesian Village Resort, make sure to watch our full resort tour and read our blog, The Complete Guide to Disney's Polynesian Village Resort. Both are linked in the notes. Did you enjoy this video? Like and subscribe to see more of our resort tours and cruise ship videos. Ready to plan your next magical Disney World vacation? We'll be happy to send you a free quote and help you decide which resort and room are best for your next adventure. Use the link in the notes to request your free, no obligation quote today. And don't forget to subscribe.